Welcome to Genius Education Management System. Visit www.geniusegisoft.com and log in with your provided username and password. As you log in, you will come to this page where you can see the dashboard with summarized data in the form of charts and graphs regarding the attendance of students, teaching and non-teaching staff members. Fee details like total fee collected and total fee pending. Institution information such as total departments, classes, and sections. Under one admin, you can manage multiple schools, colleges, or institutes individually and handle them single-handedly. Here the default language is English, but you can select the language of your choice from here. This area will display the active academic year set from the Data Management module. The circular area is a virtual notice board where you can post announcements for classes, batches, or departments. In addition, you will be able to see the calendar where you can track all your future events at the institution, like birthdays, annual functions, assemblies, etc. Here in the news section, you can see daily updated news. In the recent update section, you will see the recent updates made to various modules with a description and the date on which the update was done. You can find the contact details of the dedicated accounts manager, technical support, and sales from the bottom status bar. You can get all the notifications in the top right corner by clicking on the bell icon. You can customize the software's layout and skin tone by clicking on the settings symbol. From the admin profile on the extreme right, you can add or edit the details of admin. You can find a refresh button here. By clicking on the button, it will update the latest dashboard data. We have the various modules to manage your school or university at your fingertips. First, we will have a look at the Institution Management module. Let's see the institution settings first. Here, you have general settings where you can make all the default settings for the institute. From here you can set the exam board, generate credentials for students and employees, make necessary fee collection settings, manage attendance settings for students and employees, make settings for the online application form, and student name settings. Now coming to ID card settings. You can customize ID cards by adjusting the color for the header and footer, setting body image and body color as per your requirements, and adding instructions for faculties. Select the Yes option if you need their mobile number and address to be displayed on the ID card. Similarly, you can customize ID cards for students and non-teaching staff members. From here you can also add signatures to ID cards for different designations. Select the Custom option from here if you want to generate customized ID cards. Select the ID card name from here. We also provide a feature to change the default name labels for the institution. For example, you can change the default word department to stream by clicking on the checkbox. Similarly, you can change class to course, section to batch, teacher to faculty, caste to denomination, and IFSC code to bank code. After making all the changes, click on the Update button. In application form settings, you can customize your online application form by setting the headline, banner image, and logo. This online form link will be displayed on the website of the institution from where the students can enroll themselves online. Exam settings help you set the default grades, rankings, and class designations. Third-party service settings help you to manage transportation settings where you can track vehicles, SMS settings where you can select different SMS gateways and also set SMS URL, SMS user, SMS key, sender ID, DLT number, and template ID. You can also make payment gateway settings, email settings, and video settings. Attendance settings enable you to manage grace time for late entries, overtime attendance calculations, and attendance status rules. From week holiday settings you can set the number of working days and holidays in a week. Festival holidays can be updated from here. Other holiday settings help you grant summer vacations, exam preparation leaves, etc. Online form fee settings. From here you can set fees for different online application forms. Report settings help you customize the report's layout by setting the header and footer. In the institution details section, you will get the list of the institutes handled by the admin. Institution Admin section displays the list of admins handling the institution. In the Institution Guest User section, you will get the list for guest users along with their credentials and login details. You can split classes into the appropriate number of semesters in the semester settings. We have a unique feature, namely permission settings. Here we have two subsections, namely Assign Role-Wise Permissions and Assign Employee-Wise Permissions. Let's talk about role-wise permissions. For example, select School Teacher in User Roles, then select the role you need to assign as in set grading levels. You can also assign employee-wise permissions for various modules from here. We will upload a detailed video for Institution Management module. Next, we have Data Management module. Here you can get updates about academic year details, where you find information about academic start and end year, and working days for students and employees. Financial year details. Institution shifts of employees, where you can also add new shifts if required. Departments in the institution, where you can add departments as per the requirements. Designations of the employees, where you can add new designations as per the hierarchy. Classes allocated department-wise. Sections of various classes of the institution. Semesters in which the classes are divided. Teachers assigned class-wise and section-wise. Subjects allotted to various classes, where you can add new subjects. Assign subjects to sections. Subjects allocated to teachers. Assign subjects to students. Recent updates in the modules. This module also helps you to transfer the updated data of students and employees to next year or even next semester if the settings required are the same. From here you can transfer students from one institute to another institute of the same admin. Now we will have a look at the academic module. From here you can do various tasks such as class-wise or section-wise lesson planning. Set syllabus for various classes. Upload assignments and study materials for students. Assign homework and classwork. Circulate notices by adding the information which will be displayed in the dashboard in the circular section. Upload images of various events and create albums category-wise. Add news regarding the institution which will be displayed in the news section on the dashboard. Get notifications and set different notification templates. You can generate customized ID cards for teachers, students, and non-teaching staff members from the ID cards section. Now coming to the Student Management module. From here you can find the list of the students enrolled in the institution and also add new students manually. In the Guest Student Form section, you can generate OTPs for online admission forms. In this section, you can get multiple student data updates. You can update remarks about each student individually from this section. From the Alumni Student List option, you can illuminate or drop out students from the current year. In this section, you will get an updated list of illuminate and drop out students. We have a special feature for generating online certificates of various types like leaving certificates, bona fide certificates, transfer certificate, character certificates, sports certificates, and so on. For example, let's create a bona fide certificate for a student from here. Select the type of certificate you want. Select Student. Select the date of issue. Select Class and then select Section. Then click on the View Certificate option to view the certificate that you created. Further, in the Student Reports section, you can see Admission Report, Student GR Report, Student Performance Report, Student Credential Details Reports. You can schedule parent-teacher meetings from the Parent-Teacher Meeting section. In Promote Student section you can promote students and you will find the list of the promoted students in the Promoted Student section. You can track or search for a student's details using our Student Tracking feature. Now we will discuss the Employee Management module. Using our Employee Management module, you can maintain a list of employees in the institution and also add new employees. From the Guest Employee section, you can generate OTPs for new employee registration using a phone number or email ID. In the Pre-enrollment Listing section, you will get a list of all the employees who applied through online registration. You can also get a list of ex-employees in the ex-employee list section. In the timetable management module, you can make timetable settings, create scheduled timetables for different classes and also add proxy/free lectures for different sections. Coming to the attendance and leave management module, here, you can add employee attendance and get daily or monthly reports. Similarly, you can add student attendance and get monthly attendance, yearly attendance, gender-wise attendance, and student-wise attendance where you can get attendance reports of individual students. Leave management section helps the admin to assign leave to employees and get the reports about the same in the employee leave report section. Correspondingly assign leave to students and updates about the same in the student leave report section. Finance management module has various subsections. Account master provides you with a list of account names of all accounts that send and receive payments. Bank master section enables you to add all the bank accounts of the institution and get list of the same. In tax master section you will get a list of legal taxes imposed by the institution. This module also helps you to handle and manage journal book, cash book, bank book, GST reports, profit and loss, balance sheet and trial balance reports, and bank reconciliation reports, which will help the institute in analyzing, recording, and calculating the total available funds and total profit and loss of the institute. Now let's talk about the fee management module. For fee management, our software provides two different settings. One is basic and the other is advanced fee collection settings. Under the Masters section, you can add multiple fee categories and fee subcategories where fees can be collected according to set categories. You can add multiple fee receipt headers for different fee head names. Maintain multiple fee books for different categories like stationery, tuition, library, transportation, etc. You can add different fee head names under which the fee will be collected. You can create fee concession profiles where you can specify the percentage of concessions to be given to students. In order to define due dates for fee payments, you can add late fee policies for individual departments and classes shift-wise. You can add class-wise fee structure by just selecting the fee category, department, shift, class, and fee collection type. Then click on the Submit button and you will get the same details here. Create a student-wise fee structure by just selecting a department, shift, class, section, and the student for whom we are creating a fee structure. Get details for fee receipts according to the academic year you select, which means you can see details about the paid and advance fee payments. Here by selecting the department, shift, class, section, and date you can get the details of the fee payments. By entering the registration number or mobile number or student name here you can search for the fee payment details. You will get details about headwise payments and outstanding of the particular student from here. You can collect fees under various fee books like tuition fees, admission fees, hostel fees, etc., or accept total fees altogether by selecting all option. Then select receipt date and mode of pay where you have various options such as cash, check, DD, generate Holland, etc., deposited bank, and bank name. For example, in case if you want to remit payment directly to the bank, you can generate the Holland and make payments. From here select the receipt date, mode of pay as generate Holland, and deposited bank. Add remarks, here let's write fees. Then click on Submit button. After generating Holland click here on this symbol where you can view the details of the payment done. Click on the PDF symbol where you can save copies of the Holland and take a print. You get 3 copies, one for the bank, one for the institute, and one for the parent. You can refund the fee amount to students under the fee refund section. Under the miscellaneous fee collection section, you get a list of all the payments done collectively. From here, you can add advance fee receipts for all the advance fee payments. You can also add additional fee instructions for students and parents that need to be followed. You can collect fees for various other categories under the additional fee collection section. Under fee reports, you can get the details of fee collection either category-wise, head-wise, date-wise, student-wise, month-wise or year-wise. Additionally, you can get details about fee outstandings, fee concession, late fee reports or deleted fee receipts. Payroll management. In payroll management, you can manage payroll settings, set salary components, apply professional taxes on salary, arrange weekly and festival holidays, assign and generate salary and bonus, get updates about salary outstanding, check or generate pay slips category-wise or employee-wise. Exam management, using exam management module. Manage online and offline examinations. Generate question papers of different formats such as MCQ, fill in the blanks, descriptive, etc. You can create question papers of various difficulty levels for different subjects either class-wise or section-wise. Create scheduled exam timetables. Provide exam reports student-wise, subject-wise, or exam-wise. Event and task management. In the event and task management module, you can manage upcoming events of the institute and assign tasks to faculties and students. Front desk and security gate management. In this module, you will get updates about inquiries, complaints, calls and follow UPS, student late arrival and early departure, entries of visitors along with the purpose of their visit and their contact details. Students can also fill out their online admission form using the provided link. Transportation management. From here, you can track vehicles and their respective drivers, select routes and allot different vehicles and drivers, allocate vehicles student-wise, collect transportation fees. Messaging. You can send both individual and broadcast messages with the messaging module. Online classes. From here, you can conduct virtual classes through Zoom and you can also add multiple meeting IDs. Library management. From here, you can keep records regarding books issued, books returned, books lost. Hostel management. Hostel management module helps the admin to regularly view and check hostel details like the list of hostel types, number of students living in the hostel, number of beds allocated or available. Canteen management. Using this module, the admin can schedule the weekly food menu for the institute's canteen. You can get details regarding the products sold, ordered, and data entries of customers on a monthly or daily basis. Asset and inventory management. This module helps you manage stores and items purchased and also track weekly, monthly, and yearly invoices. Health management. From here you can manage the health of students as well as employees while maintaining health records and getting monthly health reports. Help desk. We help you with all IT-related queries. You can check all the login activity details and get a backup for all the modules. Thanks for watching.